Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a game from a single prompt. Actually, I'm going to make two different games. So recently I saw this video on YouTube. So where they were making a pixelated dinosaur game. So I thought I should try my game as well. I don't like the dinosaur, so my prompt will be a bit different. So I am going to go to aistudio.google.com and I'm going to use Gemini 2.5 Pro. So make me a captivating endless runner game. Key instructions on screen P5, JS scene, no HTML. Make the main character a rabbit. So let's run this and see how it works. So it is taking some time. So this is the code that was created and we are going to go to, so I'm going to remove whatever and I do this and I simply press the play button. So I have this game now and I think it is jumping. So this whole game created from a single prompt and it is working. Okay. So game over and if I press R, it restarts. So this was quite easy. I think let's make another game and see if that is functional or not. I think I would want to make the Pac-Man game. So let me end this now. So now this is my prompt. It's a very simple prompt. Make the classic game Pac-Man, P5JS, no HTML, instructions on screen, and I just simply run this and see what we get. For this one, there is a lot of code. So we have our code ready now, and there are a few instructions about collision and everything. It is giving that to us. So we have our code ready, and I just copied it, and let's see what we can do. So I'm going to remove this and now paste this one. So 784 lines of code, and let's play this. Okay. So I press enter and it is working. The enemies are not moving, but still it's, well, I can have all the fun with this. If they are not moving, I can eat everything and they, so it's, okay, now they are, let's see if we can eat them. Yeah, okay, I just missed it. So it did not go there. So obviously there are a few bugs, but still from a single one-line prompt, we made this. So this is pretty amazing. Just from a single prompt, we made all this game. And obviously there would be a few bugs, but I think a few iterations would make this game a full working game. And so we were able to develop a full-fledged Pac-Man game with a few bugs, of course, but I think a few iterations would make this right even. So I think you should go and play with this. Explore the Google AI Studio and the new Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model and see how easy this is, that you don't even need to know how to code and you can make this or the rabbit game that I made earlier. So see you next time with something more interesting. If you like this video, then subscribe and share it with others as well. Thank you.